Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday! You guys, I'm going to tell you about all the best deals I grabbed at Walmart for the week. This is a particularly exciting week because it is a challenge week. I challenged Saving with Sarah to see who could score the best deals at Walmart for the week. The lowest cost per item wins. If you haven't checked out her channel, you definitely want to do so. She shops a store that I don't even have in my area. So if you have a Publix in your area, you definitely want to check her out, but she shops other stores as well, obviously. So I am going to drop a link to her Walmart haul down in the video description box below. The loser of this challenge, or the non-winner, because there is no loser, has to wear a Halloween costume in their next YouTube video. So in all honesty, I kind of wanted to lose because I love dressing up for Halloween. My son and I have dressed up in like coordinating costumes for as long as I can remember. So I have plenty of costumes in the closet that I could make work for a video. Okay, so let's dive into these deals. I ended up getting everything completely free and a pretty decent moneymaker. I'm not going to tell you until towards the end because I don't want to give it away right at the beginning who won. All right, let's start with the Shopkick deals. Okay, so on the Shopkick app, well, first of all, if you don't have the Shopkick app, grab it now. It's amazing. I have a full tutorial on the Shopkick app that I will link in the video description box below. If you decide to use my referral link, you'll get an additional 250 kicks back when you scan your first receipt. Okay, so this bag of Veggie Straws, this Shopkick offer was not available when I was near one Walmart in my area, but when I drove across town or just drove to another location, the offer popped up. And it was for 720 kicks back, which is $2.88 on Shopkick. So this little bag of Veggie Straws, found it by the register. It only cost me $1.48, but I got $2.88 back on Shopkick. So I made $1.40 buying these Veggie Straws. So awesome deal. While I'm talking about Shopkick, let me tell you a couple other Shopkick deals I did this week. I grabbed the Maranatha almond butter. Again, it's these little packs. They're priced at 98 cents. Shopkick is giving back 300 kicks, which is $1.20, making this completely free and a 22-cent moneymaker. Another Shopkick deal, which is super great deal, is on these Breakstone cottage cheese. They are priced at $1.06, and there are two different rebates. There's one on Shopkick for 280 kicks back, so that's $1.12 back on Shopkick, but there's also a 20-cent Ibotta rebate, making this completely free and a 26-cent moneymaker. So another awesome deal that actually combines three different rebate apps is on these Kid Cliff Z-Bars. They are priced at $3.98 in my store. There is $1 back on Ibotta. There is 160 kicks back on Shopkick, so that's 64 cents on Shopkick. And then my Fetch Rewards app had $1 back as well, making the final cost just $1.34. So if you're not using Fetch Rewards already, Fetch is an awesome app. The offers vary a little bit by user, but oftentimes they'll give you items completely free after points back. Grab it using my referral code because you'll get additional points when you scan your first receipt. Okay, the last deal that I think I did that was a Shopkick offer was on the deodorant. I grabbed the women's and the men's Dove deodorant in the travel section. You have to grab a woman's and a man's, and it is a bundle deal on Shopkick. You will get 1,050 kicks back when you purchase both of them. Of course, double check your app and make sure that is still there when you go to do the deal. But that makes it $4.20 back on Shopkick. Now, when I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards for the Z-Bar, these were also on my receipt, and I got $1 back on Fetch. Now, I shouldn't have because it says it excludes the trial and travel size, but I had already purchased one at Walgreens, I think last week. And so one of the offers on my fetch was buy 2 of the Dove deodorants and get $1 back. For some reason, it gave me the $1 back when I purchased these. So it ended up being $1.26 moneymaker for me. Should have just been a 26-cent moneymaker, but still a great deal either way. I think that might have been it on the Shopkick offers. Before I go into Ibotta, let me tell you about a Checkout 51 offer. So this Seeds of Change, there are a number of different varieties of this, but it's priced at $2.48 at my store. And the Checkout 51 app had an offer for $2.48 back, making it completely free. Now, you do have to hit $20 to be able to cash out with Checkout 51, so just keep that in mind if that's not an app that you use very often. Okay, let's talk Ibotta deals. One, if you're not using Ibotta, it is a great time to grab it. They are offering a $10 bonus if you sign up using my referral code. You can also check out the complete tutorial that I just did on the Ibotta app. Again, I will drop that link down in the video description box below, but I try to break it down super simple so that anyone could understand how to get the app, how to use the app, and then how to get their cash back. But one of the freebies I grabbed was on this Starbucks triple shot. It's priced at $2.68. Ibotta gave me $2.68 back, making it completely free. I also grabbed these Quaker Instant Oatmeal. So these are priced at 98 cents, and there was an Ibotta offer for 25 cents back, making it just 73 cents. Now, why did I grab this? Because with Ibotta, you earn bonuses. So this week I was trying to hit the spice bonus as well as my midweek moneymaker bonus. The spice bonus was $5 for 15 offers. My midweek moneymaker was $1 for 15 offers. And so I hit both of those, giving me an additional $6 back on this haul. And these lower priced items help getting me to those bonuses. Same deal here with the Butterfinger. It's only 88 cents, and there's a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 63 cents. I also grabbed Barilla Pasta again. I think I've mentioned this for like the last 3 weeks. It's $1.28. You get 30 cents back on Ibotta. I also used the Makina app that gave me 25 cents back. So my total cost was just 73 cents for the box. If you're not using Makina yet, but you like or you often purchase organic products, you should definitely check it out. The majority of the offers are on organic products, but they do have some other non-organic offers as well. Grab it using my referral code. And let me know what you think of that app. I haven't heard a lot of people talk about it, so I'm really curious what other people think about the Makina app. All right, Neon Zebra. These mixers I mentioned in my video last week. I said my store didn't have them. Well, another store near me did. So these are priced at $6.98. I got $6.98 back on Ibotta, making it completely free. And it was kind of like on a little in section, like my store has all the wine in one section, and then towards the very end it has all the different mixers, and that's where I found that product. I also grabbed these Brainiac Yogurts. They're priced at $2.97. There was a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.47. What else? The Beyond Burger. Now this one's kind of fun. These are priced at $4.34. If you go to the Beyond Burger website, there is a $2 coupon that they will email to you when you sign up. It was like a pop-up on the screen. It had me enter my email address, and I hit submit, and within a couple of hours they had sent me a $2 off coupon. So I paid $2.34, but Ibotta gave me $1 back, and the aisle, the text receipt that I sent to aisle gave me $2 back, making it free and a 66-cent moneymaker. Yes, I know I used a lot of different apps, but I'm trying to show you all the different ways that you can save money. If you choose to use the apps, totally up to you. You can use some, you can use all of them, you can use none of them. But aisle is text-based. You text your receipt, and they send you back a little message saying, hey, I got your receipt, and then they deposit the money into your Venmo account. So that's how that works. I also grabbed 2 of these Red Gold Tomato Love products. They're priced at 82 cents each, so that's $1.64 for both. There was a $1 off to any Tomato Love product in the $9.19 Smart Source. So I paid 64 cents total for these, or just 32 cents each. I also grabbed these Chobani Flips. I remember, I don't know, maybe even a year ago when I first heard of these, I don't know when they first came out, they had a ton of Ibotta offers. Well, they had a BOGO offer back. These are $1.22 each. When you buy two, you get $1.22 back, making it $1.22 for both of them. So another great yogurt deal. I then grabbed this Airwick scented oil warmer. Now, Ohio Valley Couponer was the one that I saw who was talking about this, priced at $2.97. He had a $1.50 off coupon. The coupon that I had was $1 off, so I paid $1.97, but I got $1 back on Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. I bought more of this 9 Elements cleaner. $4.94. There is a $2 coupon in the September Procter & Gamble, but that expires on the 25th of September, I believe. So I paid $2.94, and then there was a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 94 cents. I'll tell you about the clearance items here in just a minute. As always, I'm going to be posting pictures of the items that I saw on clearance while I was in the store. I got my son a wetsuit for super cheap, so that was exciting. One by Poise. These are priced at $5.46. There is the $3 coupon in the August 29th Smart Source, or I have heard from multiple people that there are $3 coupons inside some of the packages. Like I said before, I haven't opened it, so I can't verify that, but other people have said there's a $3 coupon inside the package, so if you have previously purchased one, check and see if you have that coupon before you go buy another box. But you would pay $2.46 at the register. You'd get $3 back on Ibotta, making it a 54-cent moneymaker. I grabbed these last week, and I went ahead and grabbed them again this week because there was a bonus for when you purchase it twice. They give you $1 back on Ibotta. These lawn care items were all on clearance at my store. There's more than just Texas green. There was like a water focus and a pet something or other, and lots of different varieties of this, but they were priced at $6.83 on clearance at my store. So I bought 2 of them. That's a total cost of $13.66. There was a $5 hang tag on one of the items, so it applied to any of the Sunday products. So I paid $8.66 at the register. I got back $4 for each of them on Ibotta, so $8 back on Ibotta, and then a $1 bonus for buying both, making them both free and a 34-cent moneymaker. Okay, let me talk about clearance, then I'm going to talk to you about the Swagbucks deals that I did. Okay, so I saw these CoverGirl items on clearance. They were $3 a piece on clearance, regularly $7.94 is what it says. I used the $3 off one coupon from the September 12th Smart Source, so I paid nothing, and then I got back $2 each on Ibotta for them, so I got back $4 on Ibotta. That Ibotta offer was new when I woke up this morning, so I made one more quick trip to the store and grabbed those. I also lucked out, did y'all see this? 25 cents for a Revlon lipstick, and there was a $2 printable that I will link for you. So I made $1.75 off of this lipstick. Awesome, awesome. All right, last couple of deals are Swagbucks Deals. If you haven't checked out my Swagbucks tutorial, you definitely want to do so. I know so many people have questions about Swagbucks, and I tried to break it down super simple to help people understand how to use that app and maximize their savings. I grabbed the Ultra Fit condoms again. They are priced at $7.98 each. So when you buy 2, that's a total of $15.96. I had an offer on Swagbucks for $16 back when you purchase 2 boxes. So I got both boxes for free and a 4-cent moneymaker. The last Swagbucks deal I did, and this one's been around for a while, is on these Werther's sugar-free caramels found up by the register. They're $1.48 each. So buying 2 of them is $2.96 with a $3 rebate on Swagbucks, making them both free and a 4-cent moneymaker. Okay, I think I made it through everything. That means I got everything total was negative $1.84. I got back the $5 latte bonus and the $1, oh, I said spice earlier. It was the latte bonus. The $1 moneymaker bonus, making it a total of free and a $7.84 moneymaker. Now, the way Sarah and I are accounting for this, we had to do a couple of little tweaks, so that actually made it a bigger moneymaker for me, and that made my final cost an $11.84 moneymaker. And that means for all 30 items I got, that is negative 39 cents each. So super, super awesome deals. Such a great week at Walmart this week. I hope y'all are having a fantastic week. I posted a couple fabulous freebies over on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you can find those at Save with Christina. I also posted them on my Facebook page, and you can find me at facebook.com/savingwithchristina. Thanks.